$1,000 per month in passive income. That's what every finance YouTuber tells you to chase. That's the magic number. Hit that and you've got real options. Stop being desperate about money. But here's the thing almost nobody tells you. The path you're supposed to take doesn't actually work for most Australians trying to hit that number. Quick question. Are you following the traditional passive income playbook right now? Save $40,000 for a property deposit. Buy a rental. Wait 5 to 7 years for capital growth. Rent it out for $350 to $400 per month. If yes, this video is going to change how you see this problem. I tracked 50 Australians who actually hit $1,000 per month in passive income. 0 of them started with property. 0 of them started with a dividend stock portfolio. Not one. Here's what the myth says. The average Australian believes that property investment is the fastest path to passive income. Buy a place. Negatively gear it. Wait out the tax benefits. Eventually the rent pays itself. This narrative is so strong that roughly 32% of Australians with investment experience started with property. But here's the maths that doesn't add up. The average Australian investor in Sydney pays $520,000 for a property. To hit $1,000 per month in rental income, you need $600,000 minimum in today's market because yield sits at 2% to 2.4% across most capital cities. Even with a $200,000 deposit, you're financing $400,000. At 7.5% interest, that's $30,000 per year in interest costs alone. Subtract council rates, water, insurance, and maintenance at $4,000 per year. You're down to roughly $200 to $250 per month in actual passive income after you've paid the mortgage. The property doesn't become cash flow positive until year 8 or 9 minimum. And by then you've spent $240,000 in mortgage interest. Now, the 50 people I tracked actually hit $1,000 per month within 3 to 5 years. They did it differently. 43 of them started with a digital income stream. Not a glamorous side hustle. A specific income method that generated between $30 to $60 per month in the first 90 days, then grew to $200 to $300 per month by month 12, then $600 to $800 by month 24. Let me show you exactly what these 43 people did. The most common starting point wasn't YouTube. It wasn't an online course. It was content repurposing combined with affiliate revenue. Here's how it works in real numbers. You take a skill you already have. Let's say you're good at productivity systems. You understand budgeting. You know how to fix a car. You work in hospitality. You know accounting software. Doesn't matter what the skill is. You create 2 to 3 pieces of content per week based on that skill. Written blog posts, short videos, podcast snippets. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistent, searchable content that ranks for beginner questions in your field. By month 4, if you've created 30 to 40 pieces of content, you're getting organic traffic. Google is sending 200 to 500 people per month to your content. Your first affiliate commissions start hitting. A product review you wrote 8 weeks ago generates $40 that month. Nothing massive. But here's the compounding part that nobody talks about. By month 8, you have 60 pieces of content live. You're getting 1,200 visitors per month. Affiliate commissions are now $120 to $140 per month. You're also getting email signups. You have a list of 400 people. By month 12, you're at 90 pieces of content, 2,000 visitors per month. Affiliate revenue is $280 per month. Your email list is 900 people. Now month 18, you have 130 pieces of content, 3,500 visitors per month. Affiliate revenue is $420 per month. Your email list is 1,800 people. At this point, something different happens. Your audience is large enough that you can launch a small digital product, a checklist, a template, a mini course, something priced at $27 to $47. You sell 15 to 20 copies in month 18. Revenue, $400 to $900. Added to affiliate revenue, you're now at $820 to $1,320 per month. That's the path. Not overnight. Not $1,000 in month 1, but $1,000 per month achieved in 18 months, and all while you're still working your primary job. The compounding works like this. $200 per month at 8 months, $400 per month at 12 months, $600 per month at 15 months, $1,000 per month at 18 to 20 months. Compare that to property. $0 per month for 9 years because you're paying mortgage interest. Then $300 to $400 per month once it becomes cash flow positive. You'd need to own 3 properties to hit $1,000 per month. That requires $600,000 in capital deployed and 12 to 15 years of waiting. Digital income gets you there in 20 months with roughly $2,000 to $3,000 in out-of-pocket costs. The remaining 7 people in my group of 50 hit $1,000 per month through other routes. 4 started with print-on-demand merch. 2 started with YouTube. 1 started by renting out a room in their house for $600 per month, then buying a second property specifically to rent bedrooms out to students at $1,100 total per month. But 86% of this group started with content and affiliate revenue. Now let me show you a complete worked example you can replicate. You're earning $65,000 per year as a school teacher. That's $5,416 per month. You want to build $1,000 per month in passive income in the next 20 months. You dedicate 8 hours per week to building a content site about teaching productivity, classroom management hacks, assessment design. You're not starting from zero knowledge. You live this every day. Weeks 1 to 4. Create 8 blog posts, 8 short videos. Optimize for SEO. Set up affiliate partnerships with edtech companies. Cost $0. Time 8 hours per week. Weeks 5 to 8. Create 8 more pieces. You're now getting 50 to 100 organic visitors per week. First affiliate commission hits $18 in month 1. Cost $0. Time 8 hours per week. Month 3 to 6. You now have 25 to 30 pieces of content published. You're at 500 visitors per month. Affiliate revenue is $60 to $85 per month. You're building an email list. Cost $0. Time 8 hours per week. Month 7 to 12. You have 50 to 60 pieces published. You're at 1,500 visitors per month. Affiliate revenue is now $220 to $280 per month. Your email list is 600 people. Month 13 to 18, 80 to 90 pieces published. 2,500 to 3,000 visitors per month. Affiliate revenue is $380 to $420 per month. Email list is 1,200 people. You launch a small checklist or template for $29. You sell 10 to 15 copies. Additional revenue, $290 to $435 per month. Total at month 18, $680 to $855 per month. Month 19 to 20, you launch a second product, or your email list is large enough that your first product sales accelerate. You hit $950 to $1,100 per month. That's it. 20 months. $8 per week in actual costs. No deposit needed. No mortgage. No waiting for capital growth. Just consistent content creation based on something you already know. Here's what people ask me immediately. What about saturation? What if I don't know how to write? What if my niche is too crowded? Saturation is not real in content. There are 1.9 billion searches per month on Google that get 0 results. Your specific angle on your skill is unique. The teacher who writes about managing ADHD students differently than a generic productivity blogger. That's your edge. If you can't write, you can dictate. Speak into your phone. Transcribe it. Edit for grammar. Post it. That works just as well. Crowded niches are actually better because there's proven demand. You're not guessing if people want the information. They clearly do. You just need to serve them better than the average competitor, and the average competitor in most niches is honestly pretty average. The real objection is time. 8 hours per week for 20 months. That's a real ask. You have to decide if $1,000 per month in passive income is worth 160 hours of work upfront. I'd argue it's the most efficient investment of time you can make. $1,000 per month by month 20 translates to $12,000 per year. By year 3, as your content keeps working, that's likely $15,000 to $18,000 per year. By year 5, if you keep building, it's $20,000 to $24,000 per year, all without additional time beyond month 20. The content keeps working. The affiliate programs keep paying. Your email list keeps generating sales. Here's what I want you to do right now. Take the next 7 days. Pick a skill you've used professionally or personally. Write down 10 different angles you could teach about that skill. Don't publish anything yet. Just research. Check what content already exists. See what questions people ask about your topic on Reddit, Quora, or in Facebook groups. By day 8, you'll know if this path is real for you or not. If the questions are out there, if people are clearly searching for answers, if the content gap is visible, then you've got a viable starting point for $1,000 per month in passive income. It won't come from what the finance blogs told you. It'll come from what actually works for Australians right now.